Cast 3 prediction for 12/30 2024 lottery winning strategy. Welcome to your source for Cast 3 and Pick 3 lottery prediction. In this video, we'll be sharing lottery winners, strategies, numbers prediction for 12/30 for Cast 3, Pick 3 drawings. Okay, and this is Lottery Luck. My name is Corey Lottery Man. Whether you a secondary player or new to the lottery, these are strategies that can help improve your chances of winning. Lottery. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Wow, this might have been a whopping $50. Yeah, that's about 25 times, really. 25 times, about 40. Shoot, they would probably had even more money than I thought they would have had. 25 times 40. I was talking about 10 times, but another 10 times be 400, another 10 be 800, probably $1,000 probably been packed in their pocket. It's been played 25 times. But nevertheless, that's just one of the digital situations. Let's go into analyzing what we talking about. Analyze our number, reason why we came up with these numbers. Okay, let's go into that. So I just showed you one little thing that brought me today to doing this, and then now let's go to the next avocado situation. The reason why of these Kentucky numbers. So best thing I like to do here is go into resorts, okay, and then we go here, and then we go into what was the name? Kentucky, right? Okay, so good old Kentucky. Yeah, I think about fried chicken every time I think about Kentucky, right? Okay, now here you go to more, okay, and then you go here. You inspect your resort this year, and then once you inspect the resorts for this year, ammo, all the numbers change over. Okay, now we go all the way down, and first thing you want to look for is your key number. You go even past key numbers. Yeah, went through some so far, and what else we went through so far? Root, summer. Okay, and then we go do summer length, and we got key numbers right here. So 0, 188 times, and 215 ones, 2s, 187 times, and the 3s to me was the highly rated 235 times, 32.3%. That's the reason why we always look at 3s, because they are the highly rated numbers. Now we'll see every other number that's going to be lower than that 235 rated number. Okay, now we go into pair number. Now pair numbers that we're looking for is, okay, we'll look it up right now, because I got a lot of stuff on my head right now. But nevertheless, you'll see those pair numbers right now. That's 3101. 02 is 42. 03 is 40 times. 38 is 4 times. 05, we don't want to go through every last bitty number and stuff. So the number we're really looking for is 36. And I already had calculated. That's 50 times right here. See, 50 times. 36, I think, sure enough, should be 53 times that we should be seeing. This is 45. See, we would have had to go through a lot just to go through. 36 was 54 times. More than I just talked about. 53. It's 54 times, 74% number. Now, as you go through everything else, you will not see another number that's higher than that ratio right there, okay? And this is the reason why we do this. Now, you probably wonder, why did I also choose 5? 5 to me was 36 I went through this, and I don't want to go through every little else, but you would have to go to a search result to get through it. But you can see through here a little bit. 536, there, 365, 365 been out twice, and then you go through here, 365. It'd be a hell of a good number, right? And then a lot of other stuff here. You know what I'm saying? 563 and 536. 563, 536. You see what I'm saying? It's been out quite a bit, and this is when I did my search, when I went through 0 through 9, and I seen that search, and I seen 5 was the highly best number, and not just best number for night numbers for 536. So that's the reason why my number came out to be 563. Okay, so I look at stuff, man, and I analyze it real good. And I get this up to make it. 563 is the highly rated number. So this is the reason why I do this, man. Okay, now you look at 563. Last time it came out was back in September. Okay, if we actually look back at this number, okay, even though it's a highly rated number, it damaged a lot. So then it's gonna miss some months. And a lot of people don't understand that sometimes with lottery numbers, they miss some numbers. You know what I'm saying? They miss those numbers. So this is what you look at, man, when you doing your numbers and you're trying to put down. And now more than anything, I try to put down for different states or whatever and stuff like that, for everybody can understand and try to get their own whammo, winning money. So when you win at 290, oh man, that's a good amount of money, especially you winning in just a couple of days or something like that. But if you're looking at stuff, you're trying to analyze stuff, and then you go and do what you got to do. And then I don't want to make this, like I said, I don't want to make this a long video, but I do want to give you some ideas, some understanding of how these numbers and what I really be doing, man. It takes me 3 to 4 hours. Sometimes it takes me a whole freaking day. You know what I'm saying? Not just 3-digit number, because I be also analyzing 4-digit number. But I be sitting there, man. And a lot of people don't understand. I be concentrating every single day on these numbers, man, and try to really get a good pick and try to make every state look good. You know what I'm saying? Because when you don't, you don't. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure enough. I do have confidence that that particular number could come in January next year, or probably today, in the next 30 days, especially at nighttime. But it's just like anything else. This is just a gambling situation where, it's just like you struck a luck, man. But the 3 digits is real powerful, man. This is the thing about it. They repeat numbers and they could come out real good, man. And every day, man, I get excited because I know, baby, you can win some money, baby. You can win. Yeah. You know what I'm saying? You can win. Lately, you seen that in the pick 4 numbers, man. You seen I won $40 on a Lucky Day Lotto twice in a row, baby. 280s. You know what I'm saying? That's what I am talking about, man. Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm telling you. But like I say, man, people don't come to my channel, whatever. They don't try to figure these stuff out. But, hey, as long as I know what I'm doing that is correctly, and the other channels be trying to do the best they do, they might have better stuff than I do. You know what I'm saying? Like broadcasting they stuff, but I might not have the greatest way of broadcasting stuff, but I know my system work, man. I do it all the time, man. And I have people always congratulating me, man. And right here in my own state of Illinois, man, I be winning money, man. You know what I'm saying? Pockets be filled up with money, baby. You know what I'm saying? But don't let everybody know that my pockets be filled up with a lot of money. Because, but the thing is, you got to be excited what you do. And you try to analyze everything. You see what I just did. And that's what you could do when you play your numbers. You can analyze it. You can do that same thing, man. You know, don't doubt yourself. Just do it, man. Just go to your you whatever, you New Jersey or you here in the state of Illinois where I predict numbers here. May City in Illinois, so you can go to my lottery post, a lottery post for code 34, man. You will see, man, that ain't no joke, brother. You know what I'm saying? I really do this stuff. You know what I'm saying? So let's also right here, man. Let's go back to resort. I want to go to Kentucky right back again. Oh, Kansas City. Oh, it's not Kansas City again. Let's go back here. Let's go to Kentucky. Back to Kentucky right here. And see how I can just look at that. And okay. So basically, a lot of times I would go here with search engine. And then what I do, go to search engine. And then I go here. Right back to Kentucky. Where's Kentucky at? So I already got my 3-6, right? I already know my 3-6 is the number, right? So, oh wow. I don't know what happened here. Okay, let's go to resorts. Okay. Well, and here we're supposed to go to search engine. And then we go search engine. It's gonna give you all the stuff. 3 numbers. So let's pick 3, right? So we go to pick 3. And then we're going here. Kentucky. Where's Kentucky at? Yeah, right there. And we're going to evening numbers. We don't have to worry about all the numbers, man. And then we go here to continue, right? And then once we do all that, we come up with this. And that's all you gotta do is put your old 3-6 here. Let's see. How we do? Oh, okay. Let's go back. Oh my goodness. Okay, hit this, go back. Hit 3, put that in the middle right there. 3, 6, 0, right? And then go right back 3, 6, 1. Sorry about that. Hit this back. Hit 3, 6. Ooh, wow. Okay. Wow. Okay. So nevertheless, this is how you do stuff. I just something just happened here just a minute ago. So next time when I'm predicting numbers, I will analyze more of it for you. And thank you for coming to my lucky lottery place, lucky lottery. You know what I'm saying? And we will show you some more what you need to know for this Cash 3 Pick 3 prediction for 12/30/2024. Thank you for coming. See you next time, and click on to the next video.